Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it if your iPhone is not responding when you say Hey Siri or Siri with your AirPods. This problem can be related to misconfigured settings, glitch in the iOS, or some connection problems. So, try out these fixes to resolve your issue. Solution 1. Make sure Hey Siri is enabled on iPhone. Go to Settings, scroll down a bit, and tap Siri. First, make sure that Allow Siri when locked is turned on. After that, tap on Talk to Siri. Now make sure it's enabled, and confirm that Press Side button for Siri is also enabled. Now, if Siri doesn't work after all these being enabled, you may need to retrain Siri to recognize your voice. So, turn off Talk to Siri by selecting Off. Wait a few seconds, then tap on Hey Siri or the other option to turn it back on. Follow the prompts to restrain Siri to recognize your voice. This refresh often brings Hey Siri back to life. So, after this, check if your AirPods are picking up Hey Siri. If not, follow along. Solution 2. Change a few settings. Now, a few misconfigured settings can also cause these issues. So, open your settings, tap Bluetooth, then tap the eye icon next to your AirPods, scroll down to Microphone, and tap on it. Make sure to select Automatically Switch AirPods. If you have selected it to something else, then Siri may not work. After this, go back to the main settings, scroll down and find Screen Time. In Screen Time, scroll down again, look for Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then tap on it. If it's turned on, select Intelligence and Siri. From here, make sure that the toggle for Siri and dictation is turned on. If it's turned off, then Siri will not work. Now, in case even turning it on did not work for you, then go back and simply turn off content and privacy restrictions altogether. Now check your issue. Solution 3. Reset your AirPods. Put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Then open the lid again and leave it open. Press and hold the button on the back for about 15 seconds. The light will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. If your AirPod models have a touch response feature instead of a button, simply double tap the front part of the AirPods charging case a few times. Keep tapping until the light will flash red, then white, and that will complete the reset. Now simply reconnect your AirPods and test the feature again, and it should work now. Now make sure you're saying Hey Siri clearly and close to the microphone. If you're in a noisy environment, Siri might not hear you at all. Try it indoors or in a quiet place to test. Hopefully with this, Siri will start working for you. But if the problem is still persisting, be sure to let me know about it in the comments. I'll try helping you out as much as possible.